Kintsugi is one of Japan's most poetic cultural gifts to the world, a reminder that beauty does not lie in perfection, but in transformation. The art began centuries ago, when a cherished ceramic bowl belonging to a Japanese shogun broke. Instead of discarding it or hiding its damage, artisans found a way to repair the fragments using lacquer mixed with powdered gold. What emerged was not merely a restored object, but a new philosophy of life. Kintsugi means to join with gold, but its meaning goes far beyond the literal. It is a celebration of the broken, a refusal to hide scars, and a belief that damage is not the end of an object's story. It is the beginning of a more meaningful one. In Japanese culture, the broken object is not regarded as inferior. It becomes unique, irreplaceable, and even more valuable than before. This philosophy is rooted in three ancient principles. The first is Mottainai, the deep respect for resources and the regret of wasting what still has value. The second is Mushin, the acceptance that life moves in cycles of creation and loss, and that impermanence is natural and beautiful. And the third is Wabi-sabi, the appreciation of imperfection, incompleteness, and the quiet beauty found in the marks of time. The traditional Kintsugi process is slow and meditative. Each fragment is gently cleaned and positioned like a three-dimensional puzzle made of memories. Artisans useyushi, a natural Japanese lacquer that requires patience and mastery. While still sticky, the lacquer is dusted with real gold powder, revealing shimmering lines that highlight rather than hide the cracks. The repaired ceramic is then left to cure, emerging stronger and more beautiful. What was once broken becomes a testament to resilience. But Kintsugi is far more than craftsmanship. It is a metaphor for life. We all experience breaks, emotional, mental, financial, personal. In many cultures, the instinct is to cover up pain, to hide imperfections, to pretend the cracks never existed. Kintsugi teaches the opposite. It teaches that nothing is permanently broken, that every wound can be healed, and that our scars are not symbols of weakness, but of survival. From this ancient art, 5 universal lessons emerge. First, almost nothing is beyond repair. Even when we believe something has ended, a new beginning may be waiting. Second, scars deserve to be honored, not hidden. They show where we have been, what we have endured, and how far we have come. Third, imperfection is not a flaw, it is a design of life. The repaired object is not less valuable, it becomes one of a kind. Fourth, healing takes time. Just like lacquer that must cure slowly, emotional repair cannot be rushed. Transformation requires patience. Fifth, rebirth is beautiful. A second version of anything or anyone carries wisdom that the first could never have. Today, Kintsugi's philosophy influences therapy, trauma recovery, sustainability movements, and even modern design. It inspires a shift from discarding to repairing, from hiding to embracing, from shame to acceptance. Ultimately, the message Kintsugi offers the world is simple but profound. We are not defined by the moments when we break, but by the courage we show when we begin to rebuild. Our cracks are not the end of our story. They are the gold that shapes our identity. Just like a ceramic bowl repaired with golden seams, each of us carries fractures that mark the challenges we have survived. They do not make us flawed. They make us human. They make us whole in a different, deeper way. When we fill our own cracks with compassion, learning, and love, they become the most beautiful parts of who we are. The question Kintsugi whispers to us is this: where are your cracks? And are you ready to fill them with gold?